I mean, not bad. I feel like I should be in some type of fashion show with this makeup look that I'm doing. This, gonna just almost whack myself in the eye. YOLO, okay? We are going all out for this Valentine's Day look. Want to know how I made this turn into this? Then just keep on watching. So I'm not really good at makeup, so let's just see if I actually take my time. Maybe God will give me the effort to do my makeup well, because it always turns out like a fail. I already moisturized my face like a couple hours ago because we can't be looking ashy, okay? I got these NYX makeup glitter kit trio thing. So I'm going to be using the pink color. I'm taking this NYX makeup eyeshadow and I'm going to be using this red color as a transition. So let's see how that'll go. Wait, before I do anything, we gotta put on some concealer on the eyelids. So I'm gonna put concealer on my eyelids. This is the e.l.f. concealer in beige. I talked about it before in my last video. Love it, and it's only $3. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna start really lightly, because clearly I'm a little scared to be bold. Oh, blendy blend. This is not as bad as I thought. By the way, I need to get my eyebrows done. We have this. Wow, this is probably one of my best creases I've ever done in my life. I'm not really tapping off the excess because we don't have time for that, people. I don't know. I'm just doing something. For all the professional makeup artists, you're probably like, I have very sensitive eyes, and this is definitely going to make my eyes burn, but you know, you gotta do it for the YouTube. Should I apply this with a brush? Oh, I got it on my eyelash. I just realized I think I need to wait for it to dry a bit. While I wait for this to dry so that I could apply more glitter, I want everyone to know. So I realized that I'm not a winter girl anymore. Even though I was born in January, I feel I am a summer girl at heart. I like summer better, even though sometimes it could be like 110 and you're sweating bullets, but I mean, your skin will look glowy as hell, so yeah. So I'm going to be cleaning up my makeup with this Holy Grail makeup remover. This can take off the most hardest makeup, such as glitter. All you literally do is you use 2 to 3 pumps of it. You apply it with your fingers, then you use a cloth to take off the makeup. Literally, that's it. Your skin will have no residue on it. Definitely recommend this. I'm gonna put the same color on the inner corner. Okay, so we have this. I don't really know what this look is. I'm trying, so I mean, that's all that matters, right? Oh fudge, I got some glitter on here. So I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Highlighting Illuminate. Like, this isn't even meant for a liner. What? This brush isn't even meant for putting highlighter on your brow bone, but we're gonna do it anyways. Going to apply it. Ooh, look at that glow. You can even see my hairs more. Just great. Alright, so this is what we have. I think I need to fix this, but I have an idea. I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier shadow pencil stick. My eyes are getting watery. This is so old. I'm gonna just almost whack myself in the eye. Wet n Wild Magic. Oh, this glitter just got on my eye. Pencil. All pretty. Now let's go clean this up again for like the 5 bajillion time. So, I finished my eyeliner. This is looking okay. Not bad as I thought it was gonna be. So I'm pretty proud of myself, even though you see the little glitter specks over there. I mean, for my first attempt, it's not as bad. Normally, I can't even get past through the transitioning part with the cut crease, so I'm pretty proud of myself, I have to say. I'm going to be doing my face, then my concealer, then my mascara. I found the perfect face tinted moisturizer slash foundation. I don't use foundation at all ever, so tinted moisturizer it is. I use these two colors, I mix them together, and this gives me the perfecto face look. I'm taking Bare Radiance and then I'm mixing it with Golden Radiance. My next step is taking this foundation brush by Sigma, and I'm going to be mixing the two colors. I'm going to be applying it to my face, not a lot. Lately my skin has been very dry. So of course my camera card is full and I need to continue filming. So I already applied the tinted moisturizer and I'm looking fab. Well, I mean, except my hair, but despite that, my makeup is not bad. So I'm using the e.l.f. concealer and I'm applying that to my under eye circles and on my cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna blend it in with the same brush that I used for my tinted moisturizer. I'm going to be contouring my face with the fabulous shade contouring kit, and then I'm gonna do mascara and makeup and you'll see the final look.
In your eyes there's a heavy blue, want to love and want to lose, sweet divine.
I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can be notified when I upload videos, like and subscribe, and comment what your favorite food is. I know that's random, but you'll go. My favorite food is probably pizza, because who the hell doesn't love pizza? I will see you soon. I love you all very much, and yeah, bye bye.